Hi, my name is Brian. I'm a patent lawyer. I have a law degree from Harvard and an MS in computer science from Carnegie Mellon. I've been specializing in patent law for my entire legal career. The topic of today's video is how to get the most bang for your buck when filing a patent application with the Patent Office. So my big tip for today is try to speak with the examiner. When you're filing a patent application, there's actually opportunities to speak with the examiner, so either over the phone or in person at the Patent Office. In person at the Patent Office is definitely preferable if that's possible, but it's not always possible because sometimes the examiners nowadays are working from home, and so they may not, or even remotely, so they may not even be in Virginia or the Washington, D.C. area where the Patent Office is located. So try to speak with them, over the phone or in person if possible. And the reason for that is that it's a lot faster to be able to talk to the examiner and work out things, when you're speaking with them, rather than trying to do everything back and forth on paper, which is the way you would do it if you're not doing some sort of interaction with them. It's just a lot simpler and a lot faster. It's going to speed things up a lot. And it's also helpful when they get to know you as a person and you're not just like a name on a piece of paper. So I also want to mention there's a specific program you can use at the Patent Office called the First Action Interview Program. Okay, this is actually a very helpful program in my opinion. It's free. The Patent Office doesn't charge for it, but it's actually been shown in studies to statistically increase the likelihood of getting your patent, reduce the time it takes to get the patent from the Patent Office, as well as reduce the amount of back and forth with the Patent Office. So if you're using an attorney, it's probably going to reduce the amount of time your attorney needs and therefore reduce your attorney's fees, so reduce your cost. So it's very helpful, and actually what the program does is it lets you or your attorney speak with the examiner earlier in the process than you'd normally be able to. So you get to speak to the examiner very early, before the examiner has done like a full analysis and decided to reject your application. So you're talking to the examiner before they've gotten to this rejection mindset and decided, I'm not going to allow this application. You're talking to them while they're still making up their mind, and it's a lot easier to explain to them, why what you did is new and it's not been done before, and why you should be able to obtain a patent on it. So that's my big tip for today. So try to speak with the examiner, especially through the First Action Interview Program if possible. And if you like this video, please do check out my free book, Software Patents for Startups. It has a lot of great tips for startups that have software inventions, so whether it's apps or front-end or back-end systems or self-driving cars, AI, all sorts of software is very helpful, and it's free. Please do also like, subscribe, or comment below. Thanks a lot. Bye.